Hey guys, Amy here with another little Hungry Like the Cook tip. This one is all about celebrating those food holidays on a budget. You know, those food hashtags. National Chicken Wing Day, National Lasagna Day, World Pizza, you know, whatever the hashtag is. Anyway, you can go broke trying to hit, restaurants and stuff. Anyway, here's some fun stuff to do it at home. Okay, so it's Chicken Wing Day, but it's also Lasagna Day. So, real cheap. Lean cuisine. I got my lasagna here. It's only 320 calories too, and it has 18 grams of protein. Then, you can either hit like the hot bar at like the Whole Foods or something. Maybe they got wings. Anyway, I got some wings. Then I brought them home. Now here's the thing. Bring them home, cook them, add your own little touches to them. Like this, the lasagna. Got a little cheese. That's right. These wings. Add a little Frank's Red Hot wing sauce. 2 hashtags, 1 stone. I'm gonna eat. Have fun hashtagging the crap out of your food. Bye.